Welcome to our presentation. Our topic is developing an e-logistics system, a case study. Our team includes me and Nguyễn Hữu Tín. First is the introduction. Today's highly competitive environment has created an opportunity for logistic management, as well as new challenges. The role of the logistic function is a key determinant of business performance. Over the year, logistics has developed from single-party logistics to third-party logistics using a logistic network. There were some general problems with corporate logistics, but with the help of IT, the logistics performance was improved. E-logistics is an internet-enabled logistics value chain designed to offer competitive logistics services. Next is the background research. The conclusion, e-logistics consists of four important components. First, the automated warehousing, the transportation network, the information management, and the one-stop value-added services. Next, the third is the conceptual framework for developing an e-logistics system. The objective of e-logistics are reducing operating costs, meeting product delivery deadlines, and improve customer services. The framework has four major dimensions: strategic planning, partnership formation, inventory management, and information management. About the strategic planning, strategic planning for logistics support the long-term objectives and goal of logistics in terms of flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and responsiveness to changing market requirements. Strategic planning for e-logistics is based on developing supplier related to logistics and core competency in providing various logistics services. This plan leverages the application of EDI, the Internet, and WWW in integrating the activities of partnering firms along the logistic value chain. And the partnership formation. Partnership formation is based on the level of use of the internet technologies, in particular web-based information system in logistic operation, which will result in developing e-logistics for productive and long-lasting partnership among service providers and along the logistic value chain. Third is the inventory management. Inventory management is considered to be the most important managerial task in logistic operation. Good inventory management requires effective ordering and physical count system. There's no doubt that ITIS such as MRPII, RFID, and ERP have helped to manage inventory along the supply chain in a more cost-effective manner and made possible the provision of improved logistics services to the customer. Last is the information management. An e-logistic management system consists of warehouse management system that perform inventory control, replenishment, reverse logistics, and invoicing, and a fleet management system that perform task assignment, route planning, scheduling, load planning, order checking, etc. Effective e-logistics requires the identification of potential markets and partners, share IS for gathering data about markets, advertising, conducting transactions between suppliers and customer, and integrating the activity of extended enterprise. IT technologies such as ADI, RFID, mobile commerce, groupware, the internet, WWW, and intranet and extranet will be required. Next, we come to the case study. Our case study is about e-commerce logistics, ECL, which is located in Hong Kong. About the data collection. The data collection was centered on how the company has been successful in leveraging the application of IT, especially the internet and web-based information system, in a logistic operation. In addition, several secondary sources, such as the company's website and annual reports, were referred to. The data collected did not just focus on IT, but also on how the company has evolved right from the beginning, and their strategies and development. ECL was chosen because it seemed to have excellent experience in utilizing a web-based logistic information system and has demonstrated results perfectly. Case analysis. The objective is to discuss the conceptual model developed in the previous section and to investigate how the company has been successful in e-logistics with the help of an e-commerce or web-based information system. ECL has used a four-flow concept: information flow, materials flow, property flow, and cash flow. While information, materials, and cash flows are well known, the term property flow indicates the flow of various movable assets, including equipment and vehicles used in different transportation channels. The strategic planning for logistics, providing a total supply chain service link service linking both local and global markets, have the agility in opening new markets, have an integrated supply chain system offering one-stop services, focuses on logistic information management to reduce delays. The warehouse is close to the market, which reduces the cost of product distribution, have a B2B system to avoid conflicting information about available stock and physical inventory, overcome lack of specification from customer and supplier of goods with the support of artificial intelligence and expert system. Next is the partnership development. ECL selects its partner based on their ability to understand the logistic requirements of ECL customer and integrate them into e-logistics services. The companies that ECL selected as partners must be on the web and have the necessary expertise in e-logistics services. Consider the application of ITIS while developing partnerships by looking at the final services and partner organization infrastructure. Next is the information system. ECL uses an inventory cycle count system. Transportation operations are well integrated with the web-based information system, uses an online platform, and has formed strategic alliance to run its e-logistics globally. ECL uses the IBM AS400 hardware technology advantage for its data centers, have well-organized area for storing and moving items, and all the items are bar-coded. ECL has web-based cameras that allow its customer to view their stock physically online. The table 1. The first table is about the ECL capability to meet customer demand in 3BL. The second table is about the ECL capabilities for business development in 3BL. The inventory management. ECL classifies the items so those critical items can receive due attention. Using web-based real-time information system, allow customers to control stock directly via the internet. It is migrating to mobile commerce for electronic signatures to reduce delays in delivering goods. 20 stages in its logistic operation are integrated. ECL evaluates the performance of its operation by computing the value and amount of goods in transit. The summary of findings and conclusion. The main objective of this research is to understand the current and emerging issue of logistic operations and their role in organizational competitiveness, develop a conceptual model for e-logistics, study the model with reference to an emerging e-logistic company, and summarize the overall findings. The following factors for e-logistics are application for a real-time logistic information system to improve communication along the logistic value chain, a web-based inventory control and ordering system supporting SME to develop their business, voting the customer, location the company, development for relationship with large-scale logistic companies such as DHL, FedEx, or UPS, focusing on the customer base, networking and relationship management, having a B2B2C e-commerce system for 3BL, and receiving good capital support from partners. The theoretical implication. A model needs to be developed based on this logistic paradigm to identify the right technologies given the organizational strategic goals and infrastructure available. Strategic planning has been considered to be very important in managing any system, including e-logistics. Criteria in selecting the partners in e-logistics: geographical location of the company, technological infrastructure and expertise available, organizational choice of logistic productivity, and competitive performance objectives. Determine an optimal architecture for a logistics system based on the nature of their business and strategic goals. Last is practical implications. Successful 3BL management is vital for competing regionally and globally. ITIS as an enabler in logistic management to get the right products to the right place in the right quantity at the right time and to provide quality services. E-commerce had an enormous impact on the performance of a logistics system. The overarching critical success factor of the logistics industry under the new economy is establishing an information-based supply chain that improves continuously and provides flexibility and responsiveness to changing customer requirements. IT application are major sources of logistic productivity. So that's the end of our presentation. Thank you for listening.